What's up, y'all? We are gonna do a renter's friendly upgrade to the sink because as you can tell, it's not all bad.
Okay, y'all, I'm back with another fun-size DIY project. We are gonna upgrade my bathroom sink here. This is the before and this is after. As you can tell, the after is beautiful. We installed the sink and added some peel and stick wallpaper to the sink. So yeah, let's get started.
So I cleaned everything up. This is a new clean bathroom. But this is not giving. Look at this. This is not giving.
Hey y'all, this is the beautiful golden faucet that I ordered off of Amazon. It comes with everything that you need. It is a oneer, meaning it's hot and cold all in one. It comes with the drain and the cables to connect it to the hot and cold vaults. And yes, I am going to link this in the description below so y'all can buy it off of Amazon too. Okay y'all, now we have to remove our old sink faucet out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go under the sink and we're gonna locate the two hot and cold vaults and we gotta shut the water down, okay? We gotta turn her off. So I'm going under here, I'm shutting down the hot one first, turn it off, make sure you turn it to the off side, okay? Then we're gonna go to the cold vault here and we're also gonna make sure to turn that one off too. Now we're gonna check to see if the water is still running. Make sure it stops running. There she goes. Okay, and now I'm gonna unscrew the cable wires from the hot and the cold. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy wrench and we are gonna unscrew some nuts here. Okay, so this is me unscrewing the hot nut. Yay! Okay, and now we're gonna unscrew the cold nut. Look at me working hard here. Not gonna lie, this was kind of tough. I'm trying to unscrew some things in some tight places. But she's done. She is done. Pause. Do you see this 3-hole line straight thingy majigger? Yeah, that thing right there. So that is the hook that helps stops the drainage. And if you can see, I had already unscrewed this. I just forgot to film it. So make sure you unscrew that from the drainage source right there. So just make sure you unscrew that. And then we are going to proceed to remove it from the top. And this is where my handy dandy boyfriend comes in and he is just helping me unscrew the hook right there from the sink faucet and we just pull the sink faucet out. Sorry, I forgot to show that part too. But yeah, we just pull the sink faucet out after unhooking everything. And as you can tell, ew, like gross. What is that? That's gross. We just grabbed a razor and then we just started scraping. I guess this is kind of like the caulk, the excess stuff out. Okay, but yeah, we just started taking all of that gunk out, cleaning every crevice inside as much as we can. Oh, this is so gross. I'm so glad he's doing it. But yes, he is just cleaning everything out. We're just gonna clean it all out. Okay, now we are going to do the peel and stick wallpaper onto our sink. I ordered this beautiful wallpaper off of Amazon. I'll link it below. It's really easy to use. It's a sticker pretty much, so you will clean the surfaces. I cleaned the sink, wiped it down, and then we're kind of just using our cards to push it down. We didn't have like a scraper, but I would suggest if you do have like a scraper or something hard to kind of like push down the wallpaper and get rid of the bubbles, that would probably be best. Okay, and now we will take a razor and just cut off all the excess wallpaper. My boyfriend was really good at doing it smoothly and perfectly. So this is him just coming in, making our sink look beautiful. Like, whoa, like this looks gorgeous. Now we're going to finish the rest of the peel and stick wallpaper by installing it on the sink so we can prep to install our new faucet. After that, we do have to remove the drainage, the old sink drainage, And here is what it looks like. Unfortunately, I forgot to film this part of the video, so forgive me. I am going to link a URL to a different YouTube video where it shows you how to install and remove the old sink drainage. Just make sure you put a bucket underneath the drainage and clean it out when you remove the old one. Once you know how to remove it, it's easy to figure out how to install it. So please check out that video and come back to my video. Okay, and now you'll see that our new drainage looks bomb with this gold. It's a pop-up drainage, really easy to use. Okay, now it's time to install the rest of the sink. What we're gonna do first, we are going to wrap the outside of the cable connectors with Teflon tape. This is to help prevent leaks from happening. So we're gonna wrap it with Teflon, and then we are going to screw it inside of the new faucet here. Make sure you use a wrench or pliers to tighten it, as you can see here. Then we added the plate on top, and it's great that that peel and stick wrap just helps prevent it from damaging the old sink. And now we're gonna install it. This part was kind of hard. We had to like screw in the inside. They have like a screw connector, and it just was really hard because we had the actual sink blocking the screw. So this is us just attempting to do our best to screw it in. My boyfriend was ready to go, and he was able to screw it all the way in. So just make sure you're careful and that you're putting your parts in right. Okay, now we have to install our adapters that I got from Home Depot. Unfortunately, our cables were not the correct size to the water vaults. So what we had to do is get the adapters, and what it does, it converts the 1/8 inch cables into the 1/2 inch vault sizes. So perfect. You can go Lowe's, Home Depot, you'll find adapters there, and that way it will connect perfectly. So this is us installing the adapters. We are putting Teflon paper on every screw that we find. This is just great to prevent leaks again. We don't want any leaks anywhere. Teflon's just perfect for that. My boyfriend is just making sure it's tight and ready. So he is using his handy dandy tools to get it to work. And before we put it back into the water vault, we have to make sure that the black rubber part of the cable is there. Again, we're doing everything we can to prevent leaks and just making sure the water flows smoothly. Those adapters are amazing. It just makes sure everything is screwed on properly. And yep, so we're gonna do the hot side. We're finished with the hot part of the sink, and now we're going to repeat the exact same step for the cold vault side. So make sure you screw on your Teflon paper, have the black rubber sole on there, and making sure the adapter is on the wire, and then you're just gonna screw her in, screw her back in. And now we are going to see the results. Let's turn on this faucet, baby. Let's see if she works. Oh, yeah. She is doing it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and make sure when you're testing the waters that you got the hot and cold. So if you turn it to the left, where we worked on it, it should turn hot. And if you turn it to the right, it should be cold.
Baby, it works.
I did it correctly.
All right, looks like it works. Yes. And that concludes our video. Congrats, y'all finished installing your sink. This is the before and after. And yes, I added some extra decor like this beautiful incense waterfall and this vase and flowers. This is a beautiful upgrade. Looks so luxurious, looks so good. And this is all under $100. I could not believe it. So easy to do. If y'all want something renter friendly and beautiful and just adding that shine to your bathroom, please check out this video, share this with your friends. Let me know your thoughts comment below, and I will again link all of the things in this video in the description. Check out my Amazon storefront. And I just want to say thank y'all so much if you got through this video, for watching my DIY projects. It means a lot to me. I'm so happy when I get to help people out. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, leave it in the comments section. My name is Jay Lee. Feel free to subscribe, like, and I'll see y'all in the next project. Bye.